Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all things June finances, so let's get into it. But before we get into this June budget, I want to introduce you guys to today's sponsor, Kikoff, who I am partnering with for today's video. Kikoff is a credit building app that offers customizable, affordable plans that are designed to build credit. There are currently 3 plans available to choose from: basic, premium, and ultimate. Depending on which credit building plan or product that you sign up for, Kikoff reports to the major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and all plans come with credit reports and score alerts. Join me and many others by getting signed up, which only takes a few minutes, and get a free month of Kikoff's basic credit building plan when you sign up using the link in my bio. Thank you to Kikoff for partnering with me on today's video. Now back to my regular content. So let's talk about our goals, to-dos, and tasks for the month of June. So in June, we're looking to save about $1,250 because it's summertime, we're going on a vacation, and it's a lot going on. So hopefully somewhere around $1,250. If not, I'll be satisfied with $1,000, although I'll probably be okay if we didn't save any, just because, well, any month that you don't save, to me, that's not a huge failure by any means, especially since grapes are costing $6.50 for just a bag of grapes, and since the price of everything has gone up. So as far as I'm concerned, in this economy, if we just break even, I'm okay with that. Some months, obviously. We want to invest 15% of our paychecks, pay our monthly credit card bill, save $245 for sinking funds, maybe. I've kind of been getting away from sinking funds. Pay my medical bill, which I will pay when I go to the doctor. And at that point, when I go to the doctor for my checkup, I'll have to pay a copay. Our Walmart subscription is due in June, so we will need to pay that. We need to cancel our Hulu subscription. I think we got a promo for for 6 months from January to June for so we're paying $2.99 a month, and I think we either need to find another promo or we're gonna have to cancel it, which is fine. Although I think it's only like $5.99 regularly, but I'm not paying that. Shout out to Hulu. They must not get but I'm thinking we pay $11.99 for $12.99? $11.99 for Netflix. But I feel like Hulu, maybe that's a lot. Maybe that's just like a promotional amount price that we've had in the past where we've only paid like $4.99 or $5.99. But I was gonna say shout out to Hulu for keeping prices affordable. We probably need to get new fence estimates. We were thinking of getting this really nice fence in June or around summer. And so because we haven't had estimates, I think since last year-ish, or maybe I feel like it was last year. I think it was last year. It's probably worth getting new ones. In June, I would like to complete our Q3 financial planning. So getting our finances set up for Q3. Our financial advisor messaged us the other day asking if we wanted to meet up to do our annual review or whatever. So we will likely schedule and meet with him in June. We may be going to another one of those charity type events in June where we will donate money. So I have that on here. My husband is going to get his hair done in June. I already have my June hair. Got that out the way because I won't be bothered with doing my hair this summer. Absolutely not. And then, especially since my summer is short now, since we do year-round school, essentially. I put on here to research other dog boarders, potentially. We'll see. I don't know what's going to come of that. I do want to get a gift for our dog sitter, like a baby shower gift or something off her registry that she already sent to us. We may be going to a food festival, so I put on here to buy tickets, stick to our Florida trip budget, whatever that is. I haven't said it yet. We may talk about that in our mid-month check-in that we do this month. And if so, that'll be like a video you can reference if you want to hear us talk through that. And then finalize our plans for our reunion. So we have a family reunion on my dad's side every year, pretty much without fail. COVID, of course, but for the most part, there's always one every year. And we try to go to them at least every few years. So we are going, well, last year we had to go. It was in my hometown. Like, are you serious? We obviously had to go. This year, it is in Virginia, and I basically want to get everything finalized for that before we go, like as far as the dog sitter and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, let's talk about our actual June budget. Okay, for gym, we are budgeting $62 for both of us. I go to the gym multiple times per week. My husband does not, but he claims he'll do some more activities and such in June when he's off work, which hopefully, because there are pickleball classes, but they happen early in the morning, right when we have to be at work. So hopefully we can take a few of those classes in the summer. We have a car payment due at $314.34. Our electricity bill is going to be $178.39, which shout out to my husband for repairing our HVAC, our AC a couple weeks ago, because otherwise we would have had to pay a lot of money to get it repaired, I'm assuming. So I'm glad he was able to do the work himself. We will pay our cable for $40 even. Internet will be $80.32. We won't have cell phone bills in June because we last paid our cell phones in April. Lawn care / pest control is going to be $80 even. Our mortgage is going up, has gone up to $1,672.40, and that's mainly because of the property taxes and the homeowner's insurance, aka the escrow, is what is causing the mortgage to go up, and that's why it sometimes varies. So that's a little bit annoying, but that's the risk you run for buying a house. That's just what it is. Water / sewer, I am going to budget $72.68, which has been the price for the last several months. Although we are working on getting our pool situated. So we could run a risk of the water bill being more, but I'm not really sure. So we'll just go with $72.68. For my student loan, $441.97. For my husband's student loan, $73.42. Amazon Music is going to be $16.99. Security for our home, $52.14. Life insurance, $42.19. Pet insurance, $63.55. Netflix, $11.99. Shopping, I'm going to do $2,000, which is steep, but I'm considering the trip and some other things. We actually may spend more. We'll just have to see because it just depends. I don't know. I'm thinking, I know how much we spend for groceries. That's a part of the shopping budget. I know about how much we spend for groceries each week. I know about how much we spend on dog supplies and food and stuff. I know about how much we spend on date night, which we go out and about a good bit, but as of this year, we actually haven't been spending a lot when we go. Just like this evening, we're gonna go to our little cousin's play, and the play was $10 each. So just like little stuff like that. We're not gonna go out to eat or anything. So anyway, we're gonna go with $2,000 with the expectation that we might spend more, with a high expectation. $2,000 could be feasible, just depends on how we go about it. Sinking funds, $200. That's if we stick to the budget. If we are going over the shopping budget, then I'm going to steal the $245 and make it a part of the shopping budget. For savings, we're looking at $1,250 if we are struggling. We'll save $1,000, or try to at least save $1,000 and still the $250. So that's an extra $500 in the budget for that. And then we are not going to be doing any additional contributing to our retirement in June, although we are planning to meet with our financial advisor, who's probably going to ask us why not. So I'll report back on that. If you add all of that up, you get $6,697.38. We normally try to keep it at like $6,500. Anything around like $6,500 feels good to me. I do have some sponsorships lined up and that I'm working on, like this video. So I am anticipating some additional income. If you're new here, we both work full-time jobs in public education, and we have side hustles, like my husband can DJ to earn money. He is coaching, so that is additional money, and he's getting a master, so that will likely end. That's the goal, is for it to end in additional money. And of course, I'm looking for new jobs, and I'm about to take this test and hopefully pass. So all in all, what that means is that there are opportunities to earn more. So we just kind of create a budget based off of the minimum that we know we will bring in. So that's going to be it for our June monthly budget. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you're liking what you're seeing, and I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.